Hi everybody, what's up? Today we're going to look at a new release of the Pinterest Analytics tool. The new release is great. It allows you to drill much further, much deeper into the data. It lets you get the click-through rates, save-through rates, different things like that. Drill down into your customer segmentations, whether they be gardening, vintage items, antique items, cars, fashion, whatever. So lots of great data there. We filmed a series of videos that's going to break up the analytics portions and the new releases, new pieces of functionality into 1 or 2 minute videos. So if you are a Pinterest user and you want to follow us to see how we generate between 4 and 12 million monthly organic impressions through our Pinterest marketing framework, follow us here on LinkedIn and watch for our upcoming videos that will drill down into certain sections or subtopic areas of the new Pinterest Analytics release. This is Duncan Gillis from Maritime Vintage and Maritime Adaptive Media saying stay safe and watch out for those Cape Breton Mountain Chickens. And remember, tomorrow starts tonight.